ये अंग्रेज़ी वाला यानी इंग्लिश कमेंट्री वीडियो है। वेलकम यू इन यूट्यूब चैनल राज टीवी इंडिया। दिस इज़ विलेज अलूद, डिस्ट्रिक्ट बूंदी, स्टेट राजस्थान, कंट्री इंडिया। एंड on 9th June 2024, one important हौसला अफजाई means encouragement program organized by all मुस्लिम तालीमी इस्तकबाल दरगाह कमेटी हज़रत गैब साहब रहमतुल्लाह अलैह अलोद of those Muslim students who have got 90 and over 90% in class 10th and 12th in all faculties in session 2023-24 of whole Bundi district. Now I am coming on 12th class student. This is continue. Rafia Khan, daughter of Abdul Rais from Taleda, 97% in arts. Muskan Ansari, daughter of Noor Muhammad Ansari from Nenwa, 96.40 in arts. Alfia Bano, daughter of Akram Hussain from Alod, 93.20% in arts. Alfisa Ansari, daughter of Nizamuddin Ansari from Dei, 93% in science. Mahak, daughter of Nasir Hussain from Bundi, 93% in science. Farheen Nisha, daughter of Muhammad Rafiq from Bundi, 92.80% in arts. Alfisa Qadir, daughter of Qadir Muhammad from Bundi, 92.40% in arts. Afrin Banu, daughter of Arif Hussain from Alod, 91.60% in arts. Meher Banu, daughter of Nisar Muhammad from Karwar, 90.60% in arts. Karishma Banu, daughter of Nazir Muhammad from Barodia, 90.60% in arts. Muhammad Kareem, son of Muhammad Umar from Bundi, 90% in arts. Mahwish Khan, daughter of Zakir Hussain from Indergarh in arts. Ayan Raza, son of Muhammad Rafiq, Jameetpura, he is NEET clear student from 720/660. Tasmiya Ansari, daughter of Nafis Ahmad from Bundi. This is list of 12th student. Now I am coming on 10th class student. Sania Banu, daughter of Nafis Muhammad from Alod, 98.17%. Taslim, daughter of Zakir Hussain from Dei, 96%. Tina Banu, daughter of Rais Ahmad from Nenwa, 94.50%. Shiba Khanam, daughter of Rais Muhammad from Bundi, 93.33%. Humaira Alam, daughter of Muhammad Abid Ansari from Kapren, 93.17%. Iram Naz Ansari, Putri Shehzad Ali from Bundi, 92.33%. Anushe Ansari, daughter of Dildar Hussain from Bundi, 92.17%. Benazir Kausar, daughter of Siraj Muhammad Mansuri from Dehi Taleda, 92%. Tanisha Banu, daughter of Zakir Hussain from Bundi, 91.67%. Rehan Raza, son of Rais Ahmad from Nenwa, 91.50%. Mahwish Junaid, Sahris Junaid, daughter of Muhammad Junaid from Bundi, 92.50%. Ansha Qazi, daughter of Muhammad Afroz from Bundi, 90.50%. Kishwar Sheikh, daughter of Muhammad Rais from Bundi, 90%. These are list of 12th and 10th classes. Now I am coming on guest. Number 1, Hafiz Waqari, Janab Arif Muhammad Sahab, Maulana Ibrahim Sahab, Maulana Ishaq Sahab, Khaju Bhai Jahazpur Wale, Anwar Ahmad Sheikh Sahab, President Rakma from Bundi, Hafiz Muhammad Ata Ashrafi Sahab, Muhim members Mahmood Ahmad Raza Sahab, Sattar Bhai Dhovda Wale, Haji Nisar Muhammad Sahab from Mandalgarh. He is painter. आसमीन जी, SHO, महिला थाना बूंदी, राज मोहम्मद साहब. Now I am coming of team members, respected Umar Daraz Sahab, Abdul Aziz Gehlot Sahab, Jahid Sahab, इरफान भाई, अनवर भाई, यूसुफ भाई फोगिया, इसहाक भाई, नाजिम भाई, इकराम भाई, पप्पू साहब, मुख्तार मास्टर साहब, and other respected all persons. Overall, this program is very best. In Alod, I salute every members, every guest, and every students who have got these good percentage. I'm very happy. I will definitely meet, and I'm doing dua from Allah to progress good in future. I am very happy, and this program is very good in Alod. Every man is saying that this is very best program. I am receiving from many calls from other places, from Jodhpur, from Indore, and I have seen never these good type program. So overall, thank you very much every person who organized this program. I am very happy, and my channel, YouTube channel, is saluting you. Okay, and I will meet definitely. We will meet definitely, and in future we will do more better this program. Thank you very much from YouTube channel, from Muhammad Riaz or Urf Raj Babu.